Hi everyone. I want to show you how three head system in a three-head deck, how the play gets enabled, play and record, or the play mechanism, how it gets enabled. So basically it has to go like this, right? So this is a TEAC V-680 mechanism, and these are the parts behind it. I've just opened it out just to show you things. So basically this is the motor that runs this freewheel, and that is the main one that is actually used to kind of like engage the head or disengage the head. You also have a solenoid inside, like, which is a magnetic part. So if I just remove this, I'll just show you that. So this is a magnetic thing. So when it gets activated, it is like this, and that's when the head kind of like moves up. You can see by these two things, like, so if I activate the head, so basically the head will start moving in place. You can notice this portion and this portion, that is basically the head moving up. And let me just show you in the front by holding the same thing. So if I roll this, you can see the head coming down, and then it gets activated. So now it's locked. So it gets locked in this position, and yeah, this would kind of like rotate freely. And when you stop it, basically this solenoid gets released, and then what happens is again it rotates, and that will release the head mechanism. So this is the basic thing, like how this particular system works. Of course, this motor is the one that runs this, and it is basically connected with a belt like this, a flat belt, and that's how it is like. So basically this will give you an idea of like how the head kind of like works. The reason why I took this video is I was trying to understand like if there were any videos out there showing how the head mechanism kind of like works, but I didn't find any. So yeah, this is just to show you how the head gets engaged and disengaged using this motor and this solenoid, this magnetic coil, which activates and deactivates. Thank you.